Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara as well. So guys, today's video we'll be discussing about top two companies of campus recruitment drive, which is for freshers. So let's discuss in details about how to apply and the eligibility criteria. So as you can see here, the look this profile is for graduate engineer trainee and location is Noida, which is Delhi NCR. Okay, so now roles responsibilities. I mean, eligibility criteria here would be which is experiences a fresher up to 1 year of experience. People can also apply. There will be a bond of 1 year, as you can see here. The agreement will be there, and yes, familiar with testing concepts and software development type cycle (SD, LC), and excellent troubleshooting and communication skills should be very good. This is a 5 days working. Okay, so and yeah, a collaborative environment with best in class professionals you will be working with, focus on colleague engagement and fun work also. I mean, you have to work with a team also. So education is graduate, any graduate, BCA, BSc IT, BSc in CS, BE, BTech and MCA graduates can apply for this particular profile. Expectations would be the candidate should be ready to working along, looking for analyst and configuration testing, etc. And yes, these are the skills basically you can say, coordinate, coach, develop. Okay, and yes, deliver analysis, test plan and standard operating procedures for project works you should know. So to apply for, you have to just click here apply. You have to fill in your employer or this email ID and just proceed further. Now this is the entire complete application form which you have to fill in. The candidate profile you can see here. Okay, there are two steps, basically your details and everything, and your resume which you have to upload is through the candidate profile CV. Either you can upload from computer, Google Drive or Dropbox, or you can connect your profile as well. So if you have created a good LinkedIn profile, I would suggest to attach your LinkedIn profile here. Okay, and yes, this is how you will apply for this. So next, moving on to IBM. So this is for associate software engineer profile. Again, this is for fresher. The location would be Bangalore, as you can see here, and the bachelor's degree is you have is required. So yeah, these are the basic requirements. Let's discuss. So there are two things. One is like required technical or professional expertise, and the basic requirements, the skills basically you can say. So you can go through in details like analyzing, defining art like technical architecture, etc. You will be working. You should have, and then environment communication should be then problem solving skills. So you can go through in details. Then BTech, BE, MCA, MTech, ME is, and these are the branches. So almost all branches are mentioned here. You can go through, is applicable. Okay, and if you want to apply for, just need to apply here and just again click here. I mean, just upload your details and resume, etc., and then you can apply. So I hope guys you understood. So basically you can also check out other videos where I have created for IBM and Wipro interview and questions. So yeah, you can go through in details for understanding. Share with your friends, and in case you have doubt, let me know in comment section, and do subscribe to the channel, guys. Have a great day.